Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to clear Google Chrome cache and boost speed instantly in your Windows machine. To instantly boost Google Chrome speed, clearing the cache is one of the simplest and most effective methods. Cached images and files occupy storage and can slow down browsing, especially on a frequently visiting site. To clear cache in Chrome, you will have to open Google Chrome on your computer and then click on three dots at the top right corner. In this menu, you will have to go ahead and click on Settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on Privacy and Security. On the right hand side, you will have to locate for Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data under Privacy and Security. Click on it. In the window that appears, set the time range to all time in case if you want to delete all the cache in your Google Chrome. Preferably click on all time. Otherwise you can choose the time interval. Check cached images and files and optionally cookies and other site data for a deeper clean. So you can scroll down and choose these options. Leave the password and other sign-in data unchecked to preserve the login data. Once this is done, you can click on Delete Data. That should delete the clear browsing data on your Google Chrome. Additionally, to make your Google Chrome faster, you can enable hardware acceleration. To do this, you will have to click on the three dot lines at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Under the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on System, and then on the right hand side you will see an option which says use graphic acceleration when available. In case if it is turned off, enable it. Once this is done, you can also limit the extension. You can disable or remove unused Chrome extension. So on the same window, you may go ahead and click on Extension. Check if there are any extensions. In case if there are any extensions which you don't use, you may go ahead and click on Remove to remove those extensions to keep your Google Chrome browser clean. And at the same time, you can set Chrome to auto clear cache. To do this, you can click on the three dot lines at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Once you're on these settings, you may click on Privacy and Security. On this window, you will have to scroll down and look for Site Settings and click on it. In this, you will have to look for Additional Content Settings. Click on the Additional Content Settings. Under this, you will have to click on On-Device Site Data. So locate for On-Device Site Data. Click on it. In this, make sure you go ahead and check Delete Data sites that have saved to your device when you close all windows. Once this is done, you may close the Google Chrome and relaunch Google Chrome, and that should ideally clear cache and also make your Google Chrome faster on your computer. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.